Now I'm going to show you how to get signature plates onto this Land Rover Defender on the rear. Let's start by opening this big giant door to get this wheel out of my face. Let's start by removing the screws and getting this number plate off. What you're going to find on the back of a Land Rover Defender is that there are already holes made from the factory, and that's a good thing because this hole here and this hole here measure from center to center 210 millimeters apart, which is good because all of our brackets will have that measurement already in our brackets, and because it's a factory hole, it takes measuring and human error out of the equation. So what we're going to do with our signature bracket is just pop a bolt in through the bracket into the hole and reach underneath and put in a nut on the back. Let's get that done. Then we're going to grab our 10mm spanner and an Allen key so that we can tighten them together. So now that we've got our bracket on, we can grab our signature plate and hook it onto the top mount first, and then clip it in to the bottom mount, which is a snap fit. It clicks into the channel of the frame like that. Just top tip, make sure that the grub screws are out, otherwise you can't clip it in. And once you have clipped it in and found center from left to right, tightening these grub screws not only stop it from moving from left to right, it also expands the snap fit into the channel so that you can't unclip the plate from the bracket. And that's how you put signature plates onto the back of a Land Rover Defender.